At the State House, a common question of Senate Bill 5, where are the savings?
They've told us this bill is to help balance the budget. They need to be able to show us some numbers.
And I really don't see any budget savings in taking away a person's right to bargain for their wages and terms and conditions of employment.
The Republican Senate majority hasn't projected cost savings, neither has the Ohio Legislative Service Commission, but LSC staffers point to areas for potential savings. The easiest to identify, health care costs. Senate Bill 5 requires all public employees to pay at least 20% of their health care premiums. Right now, full-time state workers pay 15% of medical plan premiums and nothing for dental and vision premiums. If they pay more, governments save, but exactly how much is still unknown. The bill also prohibits governments from paying employees pension contributions. That wouldn't help the state, though, because Ohio doesn't pay employee retirement contributions for state workers. But it would help more than 2,500 local governments that pay a portion of their employees' pension contributions. Again, the exact cost savings hasn't been reported. Senate Bill 5 could cut costs for school districts because it doesn't allow teachers' unions to negotiate for staffing minimums or class sizes, allowing districts to hire fewer teachers. And without salary schedules or binding arbitration, government employers could continue existing labor contracts without raising pay. And absent the ability to strike, workers could have a much harder time securing a pay increase. But even if you fired every state employee, you still wouldn't save enough to resolve the state's projected budget deficit. In fiscal year 2010, state workers collected $2.62 billion in total wages. That's about a third of the projected deficit. We should note, though, that advocates of Senate Bill 5 have called it a starting point. They've called it a tool for flexibility, but they have not claimed it would single-handedly fix all budget problems.
We can't look at it in a one budget cycle. We have to look at it over time.